If you ever felt overwhelmed by the thought of creating stunning visuals, then ChatGPT Visuals Domination is your golden ticket. Now, this course is a game changer for anyone looking to harness the power of AI to create eye-catching images without any design skills. With 20 hands-on video lessons, you'll generate professional quality visuals in no time. Now, here's your bonus bundle. So when you purchase ChatGPT Visuals Domination through our link, you will have access to our exclusive bonus bundle. First one, Image Upscaling Video Tutorial. You'll receive the Image Upscaling Video Tutorial as a special free bonus. Now, this added incentive is not available anywhere else, and you will help you to take your visuals to the next level. You'll also receive the Marketing Strategies Toolkit for Coaches, a personal use and master resale rights of over 5,000 words and 24 pages. This will provide you with practical tips and strategies to retain clients and encourage repeat business, making building lasting relationships with your audience even easier. It includes a marketing strategy checklist, social media content calendar, email marketing templates, client attraction worksheets, promotional design graphics pack, video marketing guide, SEO optimization checklist, and a client retention strategies, and much, much more. You'll also receive Make Money Online, which covers real-life examples, proven tips and strategies, common challenges and solutions, calls to actions, the mindset necessary for long-term success, high-potential wealth-building activities, niche-building strategies, launch ideas, applications for at-home entrepreneurs, and passive income essentials, and much, much more. Over 8,000 words and 43 pages. You will receive personal use and master resale rights, and they are attached. Now, the vendor and creator of ChatGPT Visuals Domination is Daniele Melandri, an online marketing expert who knows how to make the most of AI tools, and I have used many of his tools in the past. This course is perfect for beginners and anyone who thought, I can't afford a designer, or I wouldn't even know where to start. I personally use ChatGPT to create visuals, graphics, and content as an aid for podcasts, blogs, and articles. And this will be a winner for those who want to expand their ability to use AI to impress and convert. So what's inside the ChatGPT Visuals Domination? Well, you receive 20 hands-on video lessons, and each lesson is focused on a unique and practical way to use the ChatGPT image generator. You'll learn how to create mood boards, YouTube thumbnails, t-shirt mock-ups, and much, much more. You receive a bonus master prompt. You'll receive 20 detailed prompts that will help you create any kind of image you want in seconds. And these fill-in-the-blank prompts are a fantastic way to ensure you get perfect results every time. You also receive an image upscaling video tutorial. Now, this bonus teaches you how to enhance and upscale your AI-generated images to professional quality using free AI tools. Lifetime access. So there's no recurring fees, no tricks. You get access to all content for life, which is a fantastic value. And you also receive a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied for any reason, you can get a full refund with the first 2 weeks. Now, this guarantee shows you how confident Daniele is in the quality of the course. Now, there are several positives and negatives, and many of those that we've already mentioned. You have 20 hands-on video lessons, a bonus master prompts, image upscale video tutorial, lifetime access, and a 14-day money-back guarantee. All positives for this particular program. And the negatives, which is really not a negative, but it's important to note that while the course is incredibly comprehensive, some users might find the sheer amount of information a bit overwhelming at first. However, this just means you have a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. Plus, the step-by-step format makes it easy to digest. And one of the things that I do when I receive an information such as this one, I break it up, and so that I learn as I go, but I take my time in doing so. Now the sales funnel looks like this. The front end, GPT Visuals Domination, is for $17. Now you need to hurry because the launch price increases to $27 after the launch. And you also receive +2 bonuses. There is a front end bump, which is also an OTO, for $12.95. I would suggest that that's another one that you would want to take a look at. And there are 5 OTOs with this product that take you beyond the basics. Watch for the downsells. You will save some money, but you receive less product. Now, in conclusion, ChatGPT Visuals Domination is a must-have for anyone looking to create stunning visuals without the hassle of expensive tools or design skills. With its beginner-friendly approach and practical lessons, you will be amazed at what you can create. So don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your creative potential. And if you need to know more, click that link below and get the full story. And don't forget your bonus bundle. All exclusive bonus bundles are here for you. Images upscaling, video tutorial, marketing strategies toolkit for coaches, and make money online with a number of examples and proven tips and strategies. Now, thank you for watching, folks. And we look forward to you purchasing this particular product. I don't think you will go wrong with it. Bye for now. See you next time.